What's this guy doing out there? Oh, man. Is that Justin? Yep, that's Justin. No. He's all cracked out again. Look at him jonesing. The guy gets problems. That's what I get from like giving him a little taste, and then he just keeps coming back. Either come in or stay out.
You got some, dude?
You're gonna make it fast. Make it fast and dirty. What are we buying today?
Okay, I just need a bit of Ethereum, dude. I just need a bit of Ethereum, dude. You got some Ethereum?
I got a little for you. I got a little.
Oh my gosh, man.
Just a little. Hurry up.
I'll go to the back of the corner.
Come on, hurry up before I get someone else in here.
I need some Ethereum right now.
All right. Go in the corner. I'll get it to you in a minute. Check your phone. Take your bag with you. Don't leave the trash out. All right, I'll be back in a minute.